Okay guys, so today I am attempting to take out this hair. No idea how it's gonna work. I actually am wearing like some fake hair as a ponytail because I wanted to film a couple videos. I need to take out my actual weave today. I have been wearing it for 5 months and it's just time to go. It's been too long. It looks crazy. My edges look crazy. I just can't deal with it anymore. I never wear my hair for this long. And I was just like, you know what? This is the perfect time. We're in quarantine. I probably won't be going back into the office for work for at least another month. So I might as well take a little break from weaves and that type of protective hairstyle. Just wear my natural hair. If you didn't know, I have been wearing weaves for since 2014. Now it's 2020. 6 years. And in these past 6 years, I have never worn my hair natural and just out without a weave or anything in it. I've always gotten it done back to back to back, and I know that's super bad for your hair. You're supposed to give your hair at least like a couple days to breathe. I learned that from my hairstylist, but I always just go back and I'm like, can you do my hair again? And she does it, but I mean, I need to like give it a break, and I feel like this is the perfect time to test out some new styles with my own hair. I like am not even prepared for this. I'm mentally ready. Don't know what to do. I got so many like different products from Amazon that I'll show you. First thing that I got is Tangler. You're supposed to use it in the shower. My hair is like insane, crazy, like unmanageable. I used to perm it when I was in like middle school and high school, and so now that I have been wearing weave, my natural texture is out. Like it's all natural and super curly, super kinky, and it's super long. I need something like strong like this, so I read the reviews on Amazon, and it's this like cool little tool that you use in the shower, and obviously this is fake hair, and you like detangle it, and it's supposed to be like the best detangler ever. Like as you can see, that did that really nicely, but it's supposed to be like a really good detangler, so I'm excited to try this. So it came with 2 little edge brushes that I need to use for my edges. This is obviously my real hair. Guys, my lace front is like has been tragic for the past like couple months, and I really don't care, but now at this point I'm like got to go. So got some edge control that I saw really good reviews on. This is the Edge Booster by Style Factor, and it smells so it smells so good. It's like a berry. What flavor is this? Flavor. What scent? I don't know, but I read really good reviews on Amazon. It's a little bit pricier. It's $15, but the reviews that I read, people were like, this is the best edge control ever. Oh my God, super hold, lays my baby hairs down. So I'm like, oh really? Let's try it. Got this like curved coarse hair brush for really like brushing my hair back. I want to try this like high top pony. I don't know what the hell it's called. It's like I'll put a photo of the video that I'm going to be following to do it. Oh, and she has her hair up in like a cute little like top knot, and it just looks really cute. So I needed like a big brush to like brush everything back. I like that it's curved because it really like forms against like the curvature of your head. I got this edge brush from Target. This is from Evolve, the perfect edge brush, and it's like skinny like this, and it has a little grip right here, and I thought this would be good for just kind of like getting the baby hairs back, and then like using this to like really like lay them down. We'll see. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, and then last couple things I have some eyelashes on it. I got this Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. The video that I watched, she had this, and she used this to really like make sure that all of her hair laid and like went back in the pony. So I got this to try. Elastics. I don't know why these are so hard to find. I tried to find them on Amazon, could not find them anywhere. It's like online doing a Google search, and it was really hard. So I went into Target and I found these Goody Ouchless Old Hold Heavy and Thick elastics, and they're huge. They're perfect for doing that big like top knot thing, and I have a lot of hair, so this is like the perfect size for me. You guys will see my hair in a little bit, but I need to start taking this out. I'll actually show you guys what the hell I have going on right now. It's ratchet, but I needed a little ponytail, and you can't even tell, like it looks like a cute pony, so I don't really care. But man, the quarantine hair, I have been so like creative lately on getting this shit together. So I have a bunch of bobby pins placed in there, and then what we have is literally like a weft of hair. This is like extra hair that I had from like one of the times that I got my hair done, and I just have like I feel like all girls have a cabinet of just like hair or extensions somewhere, either in their bathroom or wherever. And I just have a cabinet full of like extra hair, and so I decided to make a little pony and it looked really cute. Now I'm gonna start taking out my hair and detangling it. It's gonna be a mess, so I will check in with you guys in a little bit once I have like everything out and I can start styling. Okay. Look wild crazy. All right, I just took all of my hair out. This is my natural hair, guys. You have never seen it before, but this is how crazy it is, and this is why I never wear it, because it's just like so much hair. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very kinky, and it kind of looks cute like this when I have like some makeup on. It kind of looks crazy, but I think it looks cute with my little puff balls. I should FaceTime Tyler and see what he says. Let's see. Is he gonna answer? What the?
Man. You look pretty with your makeup still, even though your hair is looking crazy.
You know what I look like? I look like the girl Angelica from Rugrats.
Yeah, you do. That's exactly what that looks like.
I look wild. I literally look like Angelica.
You're funny. You're funny.
Alright, I'm gonna go shower. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, here is the final look. This is what my hair looks like after 6 years of not wearing it natural. It's actually the next day, and I've put on some makeup just so I could see what it looks like with the full face. Still getting used to it. I feel like a little pineapple head, but Tyler's absolutely like in love with it. He loves it so much, and he thinks this look actually suits me a little bit better. I need some time to get used to it, but I do think it looks really cute, and it's something different. I tried to lay my baby hairs down. My hair's just kind of like crazy right now. It's doing its own thing. It's huge. I sent my mom a picture and she's like, oh my god, it's so long. It is really long. Like if I try and like pull it, you can see like my little curlies. They're like so long. Like if I pull it all the way down, it's like down to my boob. It's like super low, which is awesome because my hair, I completely like damaged my hair in like middle school and high school from perming it. So it's nice that my hair has finally like grown out and has its natural texture back. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I need to figure out some other hairstyles. If you guys have any like videos or people that you follow that are really good with like doing their own natural hair, DM me on Instagram or leave their channels down below, because I need to find new hairstyles to do other than this one. I really like it, but I want to have like different hairstyles that I can like do as a go-to. So I am editing this video and I totally forgot to give you guys a little update on the products that I used. So the detangler, A+, I absolutely love it. My hair is just like so curly and kinky. It's really hard to hold, so to figure out either an alternative for the Eco Styling Gel, the green one, or figure out how to really lay my hair down so that it stays, because as you can see I have a little bit of flyaways and my curlies are popping up a little bit, which is annoying. So I need to figure out how to use that the best way. I wrapped my hair and everything, so I thought that would work, but I mean, obviously this is my first time doing my hair in a really long time, so I'm gonna go through like a little learning curve, so I gotta figure it out. So that's that. The edge control, I really like elastics. So if you have really thick hair like I do, those elastics will not work for you. So I thought they were gonna be great and really big since I have really big, thick hair. Elastics are a little bit too small for my head. I tried to wrap it around twice, like the video of the girl that I was watching. It just wouldn't work. Like my head and my hair was way too big, so I had to cut it and wrap it around like a shoelace. So if you end up buying those, just keep that in mind. They are a little bit small and you're gonna have to cut them, or you're gonna have to find like a headband to really get that like elastic effect, if that makes sense. I wanted to give you guys a little review and my thoughts on all of the products that I got. It's gonna be the end of this video. Me and Tyler are gonna enjoy the rest of our day, but I did want to show you guys what my hair looks like. This is it. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'll just make you cry. I don't wanna fight with you.